let me explain how the Nextcloud integration for Jira Plugin works and how you need to set up in order to proceed, and you can use all the functionality which I will explain. So first of all, you need to connect your Nextcloud to in our Jira plugin. So for connection details, you need Nextcloud URL. So let me pull this info. So I will take it from my Nextcloud. Let me do that. Yeah, here it is. Then I need my email here, and I need a password. So a password actually you need to take not from here, but you need to create here device and sessions, and you see there is Jira integration. So you need to create your account here. So I already created mine, and I will input my password here. So I put my password here and I try to connect. I will give approve. It will take a couple of seconds, and let's see how it goes. It's connecting, and okay, I am connected. Let me try to test connection to see if everything works correctly. Yep, connection works. We have some folders already here, and let me explain other options what we could have. So we could have a checkbox automatically create Jira issue key folder in Nextcloud. So it means every time when you are creating Jira ticket, it can automatically create the folder in the Nextcloud. So it depends if you need it or not, because you can easily just map existing your Nextcloud folder to any Jira task, but if you need, you can check it or not. And another configuration is you can in this option you need a Nextcloud account to be logged, because you actually can open directly Nextcloud and to see your files. But also you have another option. Let's say if you couldn't connect to your Nextcloud account, so you can choose this option, and we with a temporary password also can open your files, which would be linked in Jira, and you can use it. So it depends on your specification. You can use one or another option. Both works, and let's try to proceed, and I will show you how this thing is working. So let me go to some Jira task. Okay, I'm here. So you could see your Nextcloud files here. So let's say this is a create ticket, and we have information here. So I already see, you see these files. These files is in Nextcloud. Let me open the Nextcloud. Yeah, you see I am connecting to Nextcloud, and I see these files here. So what I put here, I will see as my Jira links. So you don't need to difficult to make attachments, but you can see all Nextcloud attachments in your Jira tickets. It's really useful and beneficial. So let's say if I will mark one, and if I delete the file, let's see, so I can go back and just refresh, and yeah, you see the last file is gone, so it means it's up to date, the list. I can click here, continue, and it will open my file. Yeah, it's open. It opened my file, so you don't need to attach some attachments in Jira. You can directly check on the Nextcloud here. So let me go back to here. What else I can do here? So let's say I can change a folder if I want. So let's say I can select from the main folders. So let's say Jira, open folder, and I could map to different folder here. So let's say it would be this one on Nextcloud, and update linked folder. And you see here I already see different files because I link it to different folder in Nextcloud. I can open in Nextcloud as well, and I will see these files. Yeah, you see I'm seeing these files. I can open here or not. So yeah, this is how is working. And I want to show another option how you can use without login. So let me do the thing. I will disconnect from my Nextcloud, and let me go back to Jira. And to make one change, I want to switch to this option, like without Nextcloud account, and I will see how it changed the logic. So I'm here and I see my files here and also review details. So let me try to show. I will click on review details. Here is the password here. I just copy it and I will try to open the file. Okay. It will ask me for password. I'm pasting the password and trying to connect. So you see he's opening the PDF file, and I can open it without an account. So basically, as I mentioned, there is two ways, like when you are logged in the Nextcloud or you are not. So there is two ways. You can use the one which is like more suitable, but you can use both one in general. Both one are working correctly. So that's it. Thank you and see you. Bye.